Deep cleaning on Lenovo Legion 15ARH05 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Renzo, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for deep cleaning is a wise choice, as it ensures thorough maintenance and proper handling by trained experts. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the laptop, particularly around fans, vents, and heat sinks, which can obstruct airflow and lead to overheating. This buildup negatively affects performance, causes thermal throttling, and may even damage internal components. Professional technicians use the right tools and techniques to carefully disassemble the laptop, clean the internal components effectively, and reassemble it without causing any harm. They can also identify and address any underlying issues, such as worn-out parts, of poor thermal performance during the cleaning process. Regular deep cleaning improves cooling efficiency, prevents overheating, and helps maintain the laptop's speed, stability, and longevity. Choosing a professional repair shop ensures the job is done safely and thoroughly, making it a smart and practical decision. For maintaining your device, at PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.